I am going to bed. I am going to bed. मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. There is still a lot of time. There is still a lot of time. अभी भी बहुत वक्त है. What did you think? What did you think? आपने क्या सोचा? I didn't understand. I didn't understand. मैं नहीं समझा. It is so amazing. It is so amazing. ये बहुत हैरत अंगेज़ है. It is so embarrassing. It is so embarrassing. ये बहुत शर्मनाक है. He is living abroad. वो बैरून मुल्क में रहता है. Abroad, बैरून. He is living abroad. No one lives there. No one lives there. वहाँ कोई नहीं रहता है. I don't live here. I don't live here. मैं यहाँ नहीं रहता हूँ. Does he stay with you? Does he stay with you? क्या वो आपके साथ रहता है? मुकीम में क़याम करता है. Does he live here? Does he live here? क्या वो यहाँ रहता है? Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. मेरे साथ बहस मत करो. He is so kind. He is so kind. वो बहुत मेहरबान है. Did they live here? Did they live here? क्या वो यहाँ रहते थे? I had my dinner. मैं रात का खाना खाया. Have खाना, had इसका माज़ी है. I had a glass of water. मेरे पास पानी का एक गिलास है. इधर had की मानी है have रखना. I had an idea in my mind. I had an idea in my mind. मेरे ज़हन में एक ख्याल था. I had a fever last night. पिछली रात मुझे बुखार था. I had a fever last night. I had a doubt. I had a doubt. मुझे शक था. I had a meeting yesterday. I had a meeting yesterday. कल मेरी मीटिंग थी. I had some questions. I had some questions. मेरे कुछ सवालात थे. I had no money. I had no money. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे. He had no license. He had no license. इसके पास कोई लाइसेंस नहीं था. I had a good idea. मेरे पास अच्छा ख्याल था. I had a good idea. I had a good time. I had a good time. मैंने एक अच्छा वक्त गुजारा. We had a great secret meeting. हमारी बहुत अच्छी खुफिया मुलाकात हुई. We had a great secret meeting. I had a phone call from him. I had a phone call from him. मुझे इसका फ़ोन आया था. I had a strange dream last night. मैंने पिछली रात एक अजीब ख्वाब देखा. I had a strange dream last night. I had a lot of money in bank. मेरे बैंक में बहुत पैसा था. It doesn't seem to be here. ऐसा लगता है कि यहाँ नहीं. It doesn't seem to be here. I have nothing to say. मेरे पास कहने को कुछ नहीं. I have nothing to say. She was crying in the room. She was crying in the room. वो कमरे में रो रही थी. I will meet you in a while. I will meet you in a while. मैं तुम्हें थोड़ी देर तक मिलूँगा. Will you really come? Will you really come? क्या तुम वाकई आओगे? Isn't there anyone? Isn't there anyone? क्या वहाँ कोई नहीं है? I was just sitting. मैं बस बैठा हुआ था. I was just sitting. What are you hiding? What are you hitting? तुम क्या छुपा रहे हो?